Hi, I'm Monica from AVCIT. Welcome to our booth. AVCIT is a professional factory and an expert in the all-in-one control room solution. So now I'm showing you our highlight for our system. We support the hotkey and OSD for the operator, and we support multi-viewer. The maximum is 8 PC on one screen, and we also have pulls and gaps OSD for operator to get the PC and push the source to the video wall. And also we support the video wall controlled by the multiple control tablet like iPad and Windows. And we also control the multiple location to control the different video work. And also we support the smart mouse, so you can use the single keyboard mouse to control the several monitors. And also we support the operation and management system for all solution to monitor all the device health, etc. And we also have intuitive OSD for operator to make the quick decision. Yeah. And the soft KVM. And if you want to know more about the future, welcome to go to our website www.avcit.com. Thank you.